Did you know that storm chasing has its own culture? Just like many things, storm chasing has a really interesting culture surrounding it, which was a big surprise to me when I first started chasing. We have our own greats, heroes, and legends. I'm just kidding, but we do have those. And we have our own tragedies. Collectively, we're absolutely obsessed with Applebee's, and with terms like Ghost Train, Whale's Mouth, Anvil Crawlers, we basically have our own language. And I also love that chasing culture is not just shared among chasers, but chasing fans, spotters, and general weather enthusiasts as well. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of chasing culture is. And in the meantime, stay safe and keep chasing.